James Unkles spent 28 years in the Australian Navy specialising in criminal law. He joins me now from Melbourne. James Unkles, welcome. This must be a big blow to you since you put so much work into this over so many years.
Thanks, Joe, and hello to your viewers. No, I don't see it as a blow. I see it as a challenge. And I like these challenges, and I can assure your viewers that this case ultimately will succeed.
So how has this happened? Because Robert McClellan put a submission to the British and that was rejected. What more could you expect Nicola Roxon to do?
Well, I'm confused, Joe. I have a letter from Robert McClellan expressing his serious concerns about denial of due process. I have another letter from Nicola Roxon, who mentions nothing about due process or fair trials or any of the evidence that I've produced. All she seems to be concerned about is they admitted to the shootings, therefore they got what they deserved. Now, acting on that principle, why bother having trial processes at all? And we've seen many cases in recent times, for example, the Danish chap who's facing mass murder charges overseas, who is given a fair trial. Saddam Hussein was the same. Even Craig Thompson is given an opportunity to state his case. These men did not receive trials according to military law of 1902, and I call on Nicola Roxon to review her letter to me and give it further consideration. Why not put the case before an inquiry, before a retired judge or a senior lawyer, to make a determination as to whether these men were tried in accordance with law.
Apparently that's not within Australia's jurisdiction. This is up to the British.
Well, it is with respect to Nicola Roxon and her advisors, it is within the jurisdiction. Nicola could appoint an inquiry officer tomorrow to do a limited inquiry into the evidence I've accumulated to make a finding as to whether they were tried in accordance with the law. That's what Robert McClellan was intending to do. He was going to write to the British government and say, these are the issues that concern me about denial of due process. Why Nicola is shying away from this, and quite frankly I think she owes, not me so much, but the descendants of these men and all Australians who believe in a fair go, I think Nicola has to tell the public why the difference between herself and Robert McClellan. What's really going on and what other agendas are behind her decision?
So where are you going to take this now?
Well, Nicola herself confirms in the letter to me that she acknowledges that there is an appeal open to me to take this matter to the High Court in the UK. And that's exactly what I was going to do anyway, but with her encouragement I'll certainly do that.
Okay, Jim Unkles, thanks very much.
Thank you.